if you're not growing, you're dying. We've grown our business. I've grown the way I try cases. If I can't try cases now at this point in my life, this point in my career, the way I tried cases a year ago, 5 years ago, certainly 7 years ago, we've had to advance. We have had to push the game forward and just grow as an advocate, grow as trial lawyers. In order to do that, I've hired more attorneys. I've hired more staff so we can put a team on every case. We've grown the size of our law firms. We can help more people in their situations. But growth is an amazing thing. I'll say it again, if you're not growing, you're dying. And I tell that to my clients all the time, and it's an important message. A lot of my clients come to me at the bottom of kind of where they are in life. They're hurting, they've got personal issues, they don't see a future, they've lost hope. And so I'll talk with them and say, no matter what happens in this situation, win, lose, something in the middle, certainly we're gonna try to win, but you have to grow. From this, you're gonna have a career after this. You're gonna have a family, you're gonna have to get a job, you're gonna have to grow as a person, grow as an individual, because that situation that you came to me for is going to change your life. And you're at a crossroads, and you can either change for the better or change for the worse. You can't stay stagnant, because if you're not growing, you're dying. You can't stay stagnant, and you can't use this, have a negative influence and just wander off and do nothing with your life. You have to take this experience and push forward, and take this experience and grow with it. So you can look at, again, a year, 5 years, 10 years and say, that point was really tough. The time when I got charged with whatever the crime is, or these allegations were made against me, somehow that brought Tim Bilecki into my life, or that brought someone into my life. Use that as a growth experience. Use that as something you can mentor people with. Use that as something you can kind of encapsulate into your being to, number one, make sure you're never in that type of situation again. That's number one. And number two, to make sure you're going to be in a much better position and be a much better person, a dad, a soldier, a Marine, whatever it happens to be, but that you grow from that experience. No different than we've been growing our practice. Growth is important, not just economic growth or business growth, but it's personal growth, it's mental growth, it's maturity. You've got to do that, and being able to master that, not just in these types of cases, but anything in your life that really brings you down, be able to harness that power, be able to harness that and say, I'm not going to just let this change me, I'm going to change it and become a much better person in the future. So again, if you're not growing, you're dying.